Hey guys, we're doing the teams for the upper deck break. It's 9:05:55 p.m. Melbourne time. Random is live. Participants, we're going 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And the teams, we're going 11 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Random is complete, and teams are Palmisano, Knicks, Byron Bulls, TJ Wolves, Elworthy Clippers, Kiwi Hornets, Walker Pacers, Lalaja Sixers, Timothy Price Pistons, Lee Smith Grizz, Ash Peters Nets, Rickaby Rockets, Oliver Jazz, Matt Smith Celtics, Timothy Price Magic Kings, Elworthy Suns, Ian Nan Thunder, Jeremy Bovard Mavericks, Witkowski Lakers, Timothy Price Raptors, Jason Duncan Cavs, Jay Doney Wizards, Michael Horwood Heat, Shane Scott Bucks, Dwayne Tatai Warriors, Timothy Price Nuggets, Benji with the Pelicans, Diz with the Hawks, Ian with the Spurs, and Michael Campbell with the Blazers. And that's the team list.